Let's begin with getting you updates about the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly polls. With less than a month to go for the historic first elections in Jammu and Kashmir after the abrogation of Article 370 in 2019, the India bloc is taking shape. Congress and National Conference, who fought together in Jammu and Kashmir during the Lok Sabha polls, have now joined hands for the Assembly elections as well. The alliance was sealed during a meeting at the residence of the Abdullahs today, which was attended by NC's Farooq, Omar, and Congress's Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge on the day 2 of their Jammu and Kashmir visit. Now, both the Congress and the National Conference have reiterated their pledge to restore statehood in Jammu and Kashmir. Rahul has said that if his party comes to power, pre-2019 situation will return, which means a state comprising Jammu, Kashmir and even Ladakh. He also took pot shots at Prime Minister Modi, claiming the public has finished his confidence.
Our priority in the Congress party and also in the India Gathbandhan to restore statehood to Jammu and Kashmir as soon as possible. We had expected that this would be done prior to the elections, but okay, elections have been declared. It is a step forward, and we are hoping that statehood would be restored as soon as possible, and the rights of the people of Jammu and Kashmir, democratic rights, will be restored.
आप लोग हमारे लड़ते हो और विचारधारा की लड़ाई है। कांग्रेस पार्टी की विचारधारा और आरएसएस की विचारधारा के बीच में लड़ाई है। आपने देखा होगा चुनाव से पहले प्रधानमंत्री यूं भाषण देते थे, देखा आपने? कांग्रेस पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता ने हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री से कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पर ऐसे ये करवा दिया। ये आपकी देन है, आपका काम है। मैं आपको बता रहा हूं कि आपने हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री की जो कॉन्फिडेंस उसको खत्म कर दिया, उड़ा दिया। कांग्रेस के कार्यकर्ता ने उनको इतना साइकोलॉजिकल टेंशन दिया कि उनकी साइकोलॉजी कोलैप्स कर गई।
कॉर्डियल एटमॉस्फेयर में मुलाकात हुई और जो अलायंस है वो ऑन ट्रैक है और इंशाल्लाह ये बिल्कुल अच्छी तरह से अलायंस चलेगी।
सीट्स का क्या हुआ है?
सीट्स का भी बहुत अच्छा अरेंजमेंट
फाइनल हुआ अलायंस आपने?
जी हाँ, फाइनल हो गया है। आज शाम को उस पर दस्तखत हो जाएंगे।
हमारी पार्टी तय की, राहुल जी के नेतृत्व में हमने ये कदम उठाया है कि कश्मीर को स्टेटहुड हम दिलाएंगे। हम उसके लिए स्टेटहुड के लिए पूरा वायदा करते हैं कि हम काम करेंगे।
A lot of the developments has taken place after the Rahul Gandhi addressed a media in the Srinagar. In fact, he has clearly mentioned that the Jammu Kashmir, even in Ladakh, the pre-August 5, 2019 position will be restored. It's voted to par. And after that, he went to meet the National Conference President Farooq Abdullah and his son, Vice President of the National Conference, Omar Abdullah. The duo held a deliberation for 70 minutes, and after that, finally, the alliance has been finalized on the seat sharing and pre-poll alliance. By this evening, the paperwork will be done, and in a phased-wise manner, the seat sharing will be on the track. So, privy to the development says that the Congress has agreed to leave the seats for the National Conference, where the National Conference has a good stronghold, and so as in the vice versa, the National Conference has agreed to leave that Kashmir seats for the Congress, where they have a strong foothold. Now, a lot of the developments are taking place with respect to the Rahul Gandhi. Now in the afternoon he went to the Jammu and addressed the workers convention as well. He said that though the Congress is in the opposition, but the government will run by the Congress because the thing has been put in place. The confidence of the Prime Minister is not that which has been in the past. That's what alleged by the Rahul Gandhi, both in the Srinagar as well as in the Jammu. So significantly there were a lot of the speculation that PDP will be also on the board. But there has been no clarity that was coming in about this alliance. Sources privy to the development also says that a CPIM leader, Envoy Tariq Gami, has also been the part of this alliance. Now it's an alliance between the conference, the Congress and the CPI. The CPIM has a strong foothold in the Kulgam Assembly segment, and this has been the developments that are taking place with respect to Kashmir.